In the earlier two videos, we looked at the sources of drugs. We talked about plants as a major source of new drugs and also animals. And I've told you in the earlier video also now the drug discovery process has shifted from plants, animals, and also we have what we call semi-synthetic and synthetically derived medicines. In semi-synthetic, as the name implies, scientists will take the naturally obtained medicine. Take, for example, penicillin. Initially, Alexander Fleming isolated penicillin from mold, but you see, the first penicillin had a number of problems. It was not soluble, you can't give it orally, and also it was only working against gram-positive organisms. Okay, that is why now further they took and then it was modified. Now the chemical structure, the chemical characteristics of penicillin was modified, and now we have drugs like ampicillin, amoxicillin. These ones are what we call semi-synthetic, which is medicines which have been a bit modified from their initial or naturally derived way. That is another option. Also, we have synthetic medicines where we just go to the lab and you just try to synthesize, and those who know chemistry will understand this very well. You just synthesize. Take, for example, paracetamol. It's just synthesized in the lab. You can take aspirin. You can go to the lab and you can mix salicylic acid and also other chemicals, and then you can get aspirin, which is acetyl salicylic acid. So we have a semi-synthetic and also synthetically derived medicine. So what are we saying? So the drug discovery source of medicines could be plants. Some drugs you'll find them in the market isolated from animals, or maybe through the years scientists have really modified them, or maybe we have a semi-synthetic, or some products are purely synthetic, those designed in the lab through a chemical reaction. What an interesting thing to be in the space of drug discovery, solving problems, solving illnesses using powerful drugs, which later will be in our medicines. I'll see you in the next video.